Hi everyone, I'm Lala Bad, cause I'm a bad bitch. Tell my fellow bad bitches what's up. It's back. Alright, so today I am sharing with you a poly gel kit that I purchased from AliExpress. I went ahead and did it. Now, are you like me? Did you scrolling through Instagram or Facebook or even YouTube, and you saw this ad and you see this girl doing her nails and she puts on the mold and she takes it off and voila, she's got really beautiful nails? Yeah, I saw that ad. And when I saw that, I was like, yo, I could do that. I don't need to watch an instructional video. I don't even need to watch this ad again. I can totally do that. Well, I found a kit on AliExpress. And I paid this much for it. I'll put it here on the screen because I really don't remember. And yeah, here it is. This is the whole kit. It came today. And I ordered it about maybe 2-3 weeks ago. And it's here now, so I'm excited. I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to open up and let you know what you get in the kit. And then I am going to proceed to either create a disaster or, something that something that might look like nails. The things that I am bringing to this kit are, it's a piece of paper towel. I don't know if I need it, but when I used to do nails, I did need that. Glass container. This is a candlestick holder from Dollar Tree, I know. But it's little enough to be hold the whatever liquid I think I might have. I don't know. Yeah, all right. I think I got everything. Okay. I got my courage. I'm gonna need it. All right, let's turn the camera around and see what's up. So in the bag, or in this kit, the whole kit, you get this LED light. I couldn't believe that it was this small, and it looks so much bigger in the pictures, but you have the stand there, the power, there. And here are the instructions for that. And then you get this as well. Oh, there it is, right there, boom. Okay, so it works. And then you get this pack of the nail molds, I guess is what they would be called. You get the brush. It has this side and this. I don't even know what this is for, but it has that. This is, you get a 0.28 ounce top coat. You get this is the nail gel. Get the nail liquid. So I think this is what I would have to put in the glass container. It doesn't smell like anything. You get a base coat. So I'm just going to, I guess, put some solution in here. In this clean little thing here. Doesn't smell like anything. It could be water. And I guess we're gonna find our nail sizes, but I'm gonna find the smallest one for the pinky. And I don't know if you can see, but do you see there are lines? There are lines there. This nail is kind of big for me though. It's kind of big. Let me show you. It's kind of big. It goes over the sides. Okay, so let me see if I can find a smaller one. This one here, which is a 6. I think it's it's a 9. Yeah, I think 0 is the smallest. Okay, so let's just try it. I don't know. What I've seen in the videos are they basically put the product on here, on the mold, and then you get the brush and you kind of pat it out to the length you want and then place it on your nail. I don't know if I'm supposed to prep the nail or how to prep the nail, so this will all be a learning lesson for us all. So I'm gonna put it on here. It's like a pink, the solution. And kind of move it around. That's what I've seen the video. I'm gonna bring it to the last line because I'm special. Me like elongies. And then just put it on and hope for the best, but expect the worst. And then I guess you put it under the thing to dry it. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know how long for. Again, there are no directions. This is a test run. I hope I didn't have to put a base coat down to protect my nail or my finger or my skin. Yikes. Oh shit. That's drying. Okay, so, oh, okay. And then it's supposed to just come off. Oh, the whole thing came off. Okay. I don't know if that was supposed to happen. I don't think that was supposed to happen, bruh. Okay. Well, there goes the nail. What happened? Okay, let's try that again. We do have a nail here. It's just not on my finger. Okay. Let's try this again. Let's try it again. We're going to try it again. I wonder if I'm putting too much liquid. Okay, let's try that again. And I'm going to leave it I'm going to do 2 times this. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, let's see if that works. I wonder how you're supposed to take it off. Okay. Oh, it's coming like all the way off. It would be neat if it actually worked. Let me see. Maybe if I should put a base coat on. Maybe that's what I'm doing wrong. Base coat. Maybe this needs to be on my nail. Maybe. I don't know. So let me dry that up first. Base coat. And then I'm going to put this one on. It's still sticky. Okay. Let's try this again, guys. Put very little because I don't want it to be that long. I'm going to just do a short. So it's very little. Very little. It's like a drop. Sorry if this is blurry in some spots, but my camera's acting up. Alright, get you that solution. And then do this. Play with it. Okay, here we're going to try it again right here. The base coat on the bottom and see if that works out. This is coming out. Oh, it might get stuck to my finger. Okay, so it's gonna be like that. It's gonna be short now, but maybe that'll work. Oh no. It's kind of, do y'all see that? Oh no. Oh, it stayed. But it's not even long. It's short. Alright, let's file it down and see what happens. It actually stayed. I just don't like that it's so short. That's not cool. It's not cool. I don't know how you fix that. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Look, this part. Like it's empty space there. So I gotta fix that somehow, but I'm going to try to do at least this whole hand and then I'll be right back, okay? Okay, so here's what happened. I've successfully somewhat put on 3. I've been here for about almost 2 hours. I've been watching my show, doing them, and then I've been filing them down. I finally got one where I actually like the shape a lot, and then it just popped off, like so easily popped off. So I think that you have to make the bottom part, which would be this part, thick. So it has a really good base. Like this one here is like super thick, and it hasn't fallen off. And it's been staying pretty good. The only thing is like the bottom part, like near the cuticle, like I don't. Oh, there goes this one. They keep falling off. This one ain't felt off yet. Look, there goes the thumb. I barely. This one here though, it's staying on. Yeah. Oh, this one's staying on. But again, it's like super thick. So, this, yeah, you're gonna want to do them thicker than this, definitely. This is a big fail. I don't know what to tell you. I'm so frustrated because they keep falling off every time I file. Look, every time I file, they just pop off. But I guess you get what you pay for, right? So I'm sticking to my press-on nails. Yeah, I think I'm good with those. All right, well, thanks for watching. This AliExpress poly gel kit is trash. And I won't even put I'll put the link if you want to risk at your own risk type of situation, then you can click on that link. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.